Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, and it looks like a quiet week of weather here for the Arklatex for the week or two. As you can see, the crystal clear sky this afternoon in downtown Marshall, as we have seen some much drier air make its way into the Arklatex, as the frontal system that we were talking about last week did move through as scheduled yesterday, and you can see the big upper level low, which is now over the Great Lakes. This northwesterly flow has pumped in the drier air, and we're going to continue to see a wind at the surface out of the north to northeast for most of the next 10 days. As a result, moisture will be very limited, and we will not see much as far as rain. Let's take you through the next few days here with Robbins Toyota Futurecast, and you can see that tonight looking clear across the Arklatex, as temperatures will be quite a bit cooler tonight, as all of the region will dip into the 50s. A few 40s will be possible over the northern sections of the area. We'll see plenty of sunshine once again for your Tuesday. A clear sky once again for Tuesday night, and temperatures again area-wide will be in the 40s and 50s. And then looking ahead to Wednesday, we will see again lots of sunshine once again. You can see that northeasterly wind indicated here with Futurecast, which will keep the humidity rather low here for the foreseeable future. Now, longer range, look at the overall pattern. You can see that we will see the upper level trough lift out, but nothing really significant as far as ridging. Might see a little bit of a warm up as we head our way into the last half of the 10-day period. But nonetheless, this disturbance here worth watching as we go into the first part of next week. It is possible it could squeeze out a few showers late next week, but rainfall will be very, very limited. If you get some rain in the next 10 days, it more than likely will not be very much. As far as the tropics, of course, we do have Hurricane Ian, which is now in the Caribbean. Maximum sustained winds as of this recording at 85 miles per hour. Ian is rapidly strengthening and is expected to become a Category 4 major hurricane here in the next couple of days as it crosses the western tip of Cuba and then moves across the warm waters of the eastern Gulf of Mexico. It will make a landfall somewhere along the west coast of Florida, and Tampa is in play, but it looks like the landfall may be a little bit to the north and west of Tampa sometime as we look ahead to probably Thursday, and will still be a hurricane at that point, but it will slow down very close to Tampa, and as a result, could see some very heavy rain over parts of Florida, and of course all the other impacts that hurricanes bring. And I do have a loop of some of those possible impacts in the graphic below. Meantime, let's talk our forecast here at home, and with Ian moving through the southeast part of the country, that's going to keep the wind at the surface out of the north and east, and as a result, temperatures will stay below normal for most of the next 10 days. Tonight, we will see a cool night for this time of year as temperatures dip into the low to middle 50s across most of the Arklatex. 56 in Shreveport, 52 in Texarkana. How about 49 degrees for the nighttime low in DeQueen? Tomorrow, another warm day, but still low humidity stays put, as we'll see highs mainly in the mid-80s, 87 in DeQueen, 85 in Texarkana, 85 degrees also for the high temperature in Shreveport. And check out the 10-day forecast. Our coolest air actually could arrive later in the week in Shreveport. We could dip into the low 50s by Friday morning. Notice highs, upper 70s, low 80s to close out the work week. We will see a warm up heading into next week with low 90s potentially returning next Monday and Tuesday. Overnight lows will eventually warm back into the lower 60s, and we will see a small chance for a little bit of rain as we look ahead to the end of the 10-day period next Wednesday and Thursday. So all in all, looks like our dry weather pattern is going to continue as we take a break from the heat for a good week or so, with highs mainly in the 80s and lows mainly in the 50s.